Welcome to the video from ClickAlgo.com. In this video we're going to explain about swing trading. We've got a blog that we've written to learn how to swing trade using cTrader, and we've developed an application that does one-click trading, and it'll auto calculate your last swing high and last swing low for you on a low time frame like 1 minute. So that'd be good for the markets are moving fast. But quickly I'll just show you the web page we've got where we've put a quick blog showing about learning about swing trading. It's if you go to ClickAlgo.com, if you just go under blog, if you click on the button there, it's got all the list of the blogs, and we've got one there called Learn Swing Trading. You can do a search for it if it's gone missing. In here it tells you all about it, what it actually means. I'll just briefly go through it. It's about where the price swings high and low. I mean, the definition of a swing is, if it says here, where 2 bars to the left and 2 bars to the right are lower than the highest high. So in this case, 2 bars to the left, 2 bars to the right, they're lower than the last high. There was a price spike there. So this was the highest price went on the last swing. So that's the last swing. Then on this one, the lowest low is 2 bars to the left and 2 bars to the right are higher than the lowest low, which they are. The lowest low is there, and both of these two red and this two reds there are both higher than the lowest low there. That's the last time it swung high and low from the current price. Obviously, if you go back in time, there's many highs and lows. Like there's one there, there's one there, and there's one there. These are normally support and resistance zones. You'll normally find that's where the buyers and sellers are, and that's why it's changed the price direction. Okay. So what we're going to do is show you an application that we've got that'll actually auto calculate the highs and lows. So it'll actually do it for you on low time frames. If I go here, it's an application you can download from our website. I'll show you at the end how to get access to it. So you'll pretty much just double click on it. It'll install it onto ClickAlgo or cTrader. You drag it onto your chart and you'll see something like this. And if you click the play button, it will start. This is to do with we've got a professional widgets collection that run on cTrader. Okay, we've got lots of different widgets to do different things. So I'm just going to show you one of the widgets, which is the one-click trading terminal. And we've covered all the features of these in other videos. And in this video, I'm only going to show the last swing high and last swing low feature. Okay, so with this, you can minimize it and all the rest of it. So you go into the settings panel. In the settings panel, you click on one-click trade settings. In here you can set your take profit and stop loss to be the last swing high or last swing low. You can specify the time frame. So we've got 1 hour on the chart, so I'll leave it at 1 hour. I'll put 1 extra pip. So what that'll do, that'll set the stop loss. If it was a buy position, it will set the stop loss at the last swing low plus 1 pip. Minus 1 pip. And it will set the take profit at the last swing high plus 1 pip. So it gives you a bit of breathing space above and below the last swing highs and lows, so you can automatically set it. Okay. You just set that, you click save settings. Now what will happen is if I open a buy position, it's opened the buy position and it's set the take profit there, 85 pips, just above the last swing high, which was there, and the stop loss is 46 pips, which is below the lowest low, which is there. Okay, if I cancel that order, if I go back to the one-click settings, I also want to show you what will happen if you set the time frame to, say, 4 hours. What's going to do now is it's going to find the last swing high and low in the 4-hour time frame. So it'll be in a different area. So if I click buy again, okay, and what it's done, it's set the lowest low in the last 4 hours. Also in the 4-hour time frame, the lowest low is the same. But if you have a look, it's set the highest high on the last swing high right up here. So the last time the price swung high on a 4-hour time frame was right up here, and the last time it swung low on the 4-hour time frame, which is here. So you can change the time frames. It doesn't have to be the same that's on the chart. Okay. So I'll cancel that one as well. What I'm going to do now is open up another chart, Euro USD, and I'll just go into a black layout now, just to show you the different colors you can use. Now what I'm going to do now is go to the 1 minute time frame. So this is a 1 minute time frame, and if I go into the one-click settings and I change the settings to 1 minute. Now this is useful on low time frames when the price is moving fast and you just want to place orders and you want to put your stop loss and take profit above or below the last swing high and last swing low. So if I put a buy position now, what it's done now is it's put the okay, that errored out. That's actually good that it's done it. So sometimes it doesn't auto-calculate. This is very useful. Sometimes it won't auto-calculate because if you have a look here, the price is kind of there is no real last swing high or last swing low. So what it does, if it doesn't find one, it uses your default values. And your default values in here is stop loss is 10, take profit is 20. So it's just gone to your default values. Okay, if I close that now and choose a different account, we've got Euro USD. That's another thing, is if you open this on Euro USD, it will only do positions for the Euro USD. Okay, but if you had a chart pattern like you see here on the 1 minute time frame, it would find the highest high and the lowest low, and it would actually do it then. Okay, I'll carry on with this tutorial and just show you the rest of it, because obviously the 1 minute time frame I should have had a look, but there's no real high, high, low, low. The price has just been dwindling for a while. So what I'm going to do now is show you how you can do stealth orders with the last swing high and last swing low. So if I click on the settings button again, go to one-click trade settings. If I put this to the 1 hour time frame, so I'm doing 1 hour as a demonstration because you know the price isn't going to move all over the place. I've got it set on there, but you can use it on 1 minute. As soon as they give us access to do ticks, then it would be very useful to do the take profit and stop loss on tick time frames. That would be very, very useful actually. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hide the take profit and stop loss using stealth mode. So the little icon comes on there. What will happen now is when you click buy, it's actually going to open up a position, but it hasn't actually submitted the take profit and stop loss to the broker. So nobody knows what your take profit and stop loss is. It's a stealth order, so which means the position is set, the stop loss and the take profit hidden from anyone. It's under stealth. So you just click on this window here, and you can see that the Euro USD, this position, the take profit is 1.19809. So if I put that 19809, just to show you this one, you can see that it's set the 19809. 19809, that's correct. Yeah, there you go. You can see that it's set the take profit in the correct place. Okay, and if I did it for the stop loss, you'll see it. So the stop loss will be in the correct place. So it does stealth orders as well. So you can do the last swing high, last swing low, and stealth orders. And another video explains the stealth orders in more detail. If you go look on the YouTube channel, you better find that out. You can close position or remove protection. Okay, so that's how it calculates the last swing high and last swing low. You can also obviously go in there and do daily, and it will calculate the daily. So you could be looking at a certain chart and you want to calculate what it is in daily, and it will actually calculate daily. But this would be very useful for lower time frames. It goes down to 1 minute at the moment, but we're hoping in the future we can get it down even lower. Okay, so if you want to find out more about this tool, you go to our website, and if you go under software, cTrader trading software, and then we've got it here. This is the cTrader professional trading widgets. This is the complete collection that we're selling, which has got everything, which has got the account profits and loss dashboard, volatility dashboard, floating market trading clocks, position management dashboard, economic calendar, and live forex. So for this feature that I'm talking about, it's only this individual item, and you can buy this on its own. The one-click trading terminal that I just showed you, you can buy that for, at the moment we're doing it for $19.99, and this has got all the features that I just showed you, and more actually. It's got a lot more features than I actually showed you. If you have a look at this webpage, it'll actually explain it in more detail how to do that. Okay.